G'day folks, Jim Langlands here from FX Charts with the currency outlook for the Finance News Network for Tuesday the 11th of December. Well, markets were pretty much dominated today by the weekend resignation of the Italian Prime Minister, Mr. Monti, which raises the chances of political and economic instability in the EU zone and the possible contagion of increased borrowing costs to Spain and Cyprus and Portugal. So it's not been a very pretty picture, but the pressure was eased later on in the day when the favourite to win the election stated that he would stick with the existing austerity measures and the proposed budget reforms proposed by Mr. Monti. So the euro, although it opened lower, it did recover, and it's actually pretty much unchanged from Friday's close at the present point in time. Focus now, that'll turn to the FOMC meeting on Wednesday or early Thursday Asian time, and some analysts are predicting that the Federal Reserve will add further liquidity to the market following last week's unemployment data. Anyway, right now we've got the euro trading at 129.40, dollar yen's at 83.35. That chopped around within an 80 to 10.60 range. We're pretty much in the middle and unchanged from where we've been for the last couple of sessions. Cable's a little bit higher, that's at 160.70, and dollar Swiss is at 93.35. The Aussie and the Kiwi, they both look reasonably bid, although they both topped out at resistance during the day. The Aussie got up to 105.04, I think the high was, and the Kiwi at 83.53. They're currently a little bit lower. The Aussies at 104.85 and the Kiwis at 83.40. Both look reasonably bid still, but probably going nowhere fast. I think in the session to come, it's all looking fairly range bound. Later today, the only real economic highlight will be the German ZEW survey, and the euro will take its direction one way or another from there, but overall I think it'll probably stay pretty much within its range. Locally we've got the NAB Business Conditions survey as well, so that will provide some interest later on for the Aussie. That's really about it for today. I don't think we'll see an awful lot before the FOMC meeting, but if you do want a more comprehensive outlook on the market, go to the website as usual, www.fxcharts.com.au. And that aside, please just remember that, as usual, any outlook mentioned here is a personal view only and not intended to be used as trading advice. So that's all for today. Have a very good session, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Cheers.